So I decided to make a video when I'm sick. Very smart idea, Damage. Very smart idea. Well, it's only unboxing, so I'm unboxing this. This is my new model that I want to build. I'm going to make a video out of it. Might be even better. And yeah, as you can see, it's the Tom's Supra. No writing in the back. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'm gonna be. Let's see. I got lots of crap here. There we go. Scalpel. Always get a scalpel. You don't need a knife. Well, this is a knife. Right. I'm gonna cut myself and go hard here. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I'm going the right way. See, kids, you can use a scalpel, but it'll be very dangerous. I wouldn't recommend using it. Because you slip, you cut yourself, you go to hospital. Let's try this way. Yeah, you go to hospital, then you'll be out of school. You won't be able to play. You won't be able to do anything until you are healed. Not even play video games. And nobody wants to not play video games. Like for me, I love working, but I can't work with my condition at the moment. And I can't get anyone else sick. People get sick, the business loses money, and also you'll be out of the job. Alright, that's the plastic off. Yeah, I bought this on eBay, so I'm not sponsored by these guys that made it, but that's good. It only cost me like $37. They include shipping and all that, and to Australia, Melbourne. Fucking hell! I wish I had a third hand. Just for stuff like this. Anyway, here we go. As you can tell, it's put it yourself. So you've got the actual body kit, the car here. Then you got the other bits and bobs, everything. Ooh, that's all the plastic, the see-through plastic. Nice. And generally, when you put these together, you use like super glue or something like that. But don't go crazy with super glue. That's the mistakes I keep on doing. I always keep on doing. I go crazy with it, then all of a sudden it becomes too much, and yeah, you end up making a mess. Here's the stickers. See? All the good stuff. Good thing is, it's already painted. Instructions. Oh, it's also in Japanese as well. I'll try and get a focus. Come on, focus. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so that's the unboxing. The cash rolls, Tom Supra, but the Supra. I'm going Supra. So, a little background of these cars. These are like just GT cars in Japan. They what was it? These cars out of factory come out with the 2J. I know because I got one. but these GT models, some of them came out with 2J. The GT500s came out with the V8. So it's pretty dorky and pretty powerful. Yeah, and it'll be pretty good when I'm done with this. Anyway, in the next video of this, I'll be putting together. I'll probably do a time lapse or stuff like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, alright, see you guys.